My name's Nadine Carter-Smith and I'm a performance artist. I was unsure how the session was going to go as the art school is all very new and I wasn't sure how many people had found out about what we were doing. But there was a real excitement about being the first workshop to happen. The dynamics of the group were fabulous. We had a huge response. A lot of people arrived, more than we'd expected. All ages, from 2-year-olds right up to grandparents came and worked together. There was a lovely atmosphere, very creative, very experimental. It was a really positive, wonderful day. I hope we're really going to stop people in their tracks for a few moments as we walk to the front with our wonderful creations. They're all very colourful, some are really funny, quite quirky. I'm hoping we'll have a bit of a parade as we all walk together, and I think we're going to make a real visual statement and hopefully draw a lot more attention to the FreeHaus Art School.